Isa ka rin ba sa mga nagulat? Sorry. Cut. Sorry. Isa ka rin ba sa mga nagulat sa biglaang pagtaas ng presyo ng mga units dito sa Azure North? Naalala mo ba nung nagsimula lang sa 2 to 3 million ang presyo ng bawat units dito? At take note, hindi yun cash ha, installment basis pa yon. Tapos nasabi mong, sayang sana noon pa nag-invest na ako. Well, it's not too late. I have a good news for you. You still have a chance to position yourself now habang under development pa ang buong Azure at habang ang Pampanga ay patuloy pa na nagbo-boom. Nakaka-excite yung mga bagong infrastructure projects, lalo na yung mga magpapabilis ng biyahe, tsaka yung magpapataas ng land value sa area. Some of the key developments include the newly modernized and expanded Clark International Airport, the NLEX SLEX Connector, Central Luzon Link Expressway, North-South Commuter Railway, New Clark City Extension, and the new Manila International Airport, Bulacan Airport. At habang tuloy-tuloy ang mga malalaking infrastructure projects na yan sa paligid ng Pampanga, dito mismo sa Azure North, unti-unti na ring nabubuo ang vision ng buong estate. As of now, only 23% of the 7.8 hectare estate has been developed. Kaya kung makakasecure ka ng unit habang pre-selling pa, you're positioning yourself ahead of the curve. Kaya kung ready ka na to start your real estate journey, send me a message and I'll help you secure the best unit habang pre-selling pa. Again, I am Wendy, your real estate buddy.